Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, and in today's video we are talking about Shiba Inu token, amazing update that actually happened, and some price analysis, since you can see right here that we are trading at the 93 and we are so close to killing that 1-0. We are 16% up, and we will talk about it in today's video and tell you if the price will continue to grow or go down, since we will do a price analysis a little bit later on. As you can see on the chart, we are doing awesome today, and I'll talk about it a little bit later on. But first, if you're a member of a Shiba Inu army, make sure to watch this video till the end so you can fully understand what is currently going on to the market and what will be the future price action for Shiba Inu token. As well as, if you're a member of a crypto community, make sure to smash that subscribe button, because we are so close to reaching that 3k subs. And with that said, without further waiting, thank you for the big support, and let's start with today's news. So right here on the Shiba Inu Reddit page, we actually have something going on right here. This is kind of interesting post from Dirty Ferg, and he's talking about the previous rejections and some nice support levels. So we have a new resistance coming up. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, we may experience a little turbulence. Make sure your seatbelts are buckled, because it's about to get bumpy. You can see right here that previously in June we got 2 times rejected from the new resistance level, and then also 1 time in July. So we got rejected right here, and after that we had some major downfall and sell-offs, and we were actually doing some sideways trading. Basically, we were going sideways, not even the up or the down. There was nothing going on. And then yesterday we actually had explosion in price and some nice green candles. Some of the major investors are coming up for Shiba Inu tokens, and you can see that we actually made a great spike in price, and as well as this yellow line is a new support level and resistance level for Shiba Inu tokens. So this is how the currently are things going on, and we will talk about the price analysis a little bit later on. But we actually have an update in Shiba Inu ecosystem that could possibly result in why the price is coming up so big today. So right here this is a Satoshi Kusama basically page where he is posting some of the updates, and this is his personal blog. So he was talking about what actually happened with the hackers, since Shiba Inu token got hacked, and some of the people lost their tokens, but then they got back. And these are the old news. But right here there's a funny and kind of interesting thing about the burn that Shiba Inu is planning. So I have discussed a burn with Ryoshi many times in the past, and he made it clear it is not ideal unless under the right circumstances. I didn't understand this at first, but now, after seeing other tokens with built-in burns, I see his point. Let's discuss the popular burn effect known as Reflect. Reflect is a genius bit of code that burns a percentage of any selling transaction and then redistributes to a percent to a holder's pro rata. So basically, they are talking about Reflect and how the Shiba Inu could actually make auto burn function, where whenever someone sells their Shiba Inu tokens, basically percentage from that could go back to its holders. So as the token has more volume, more tokens are burned to a burn address, and you will watch your holdings increase automatically. When I saw this in practice, I was amazed how genius it is to just watch my wallet increase indefinitely. So basically, this is not ideal, I would say, but could definitely make some dilution of circulating supply and make circulating supply more lower, as I like to say that way, because circulating supply of Shiba Inu token is currently very big. And this is why we were basically having a trend from, I would say, 2 weeks right now, that we were basically doing a sideways growth. We didn't move up or down, we were just having the volume, and actually nothing changed. So this is why, even though we had some great news and announcements in the past, we were actually going sideways because of its a large circulating supply. So we couldn't see any of the changes right here. So as you can see, the pump started right here, and we actually today went up to 20%. And the problem is that with such a huge circulating supply, we would go even more up. But the problem is that circulating supply is so big that we cannot see it going to the moon yet. And as well as that, we cannot see the price spike going up yet. So even though we rose 20%, if we had a much lower circulating supply, we would rose probably like 100%, for example, instead of just 17%. So this is kind of small problem for Shiba Inu, but let's see the things that they are right now. We are currently started the day at the 17.8, just as the yesterday, and then we actually had, right now, as you can zoom in here, we actually had some massive buyings throughout the start of the day. Then we actually hold on to that 86 line, and then we had one more massive buying right here from 85 all the way up to 93. Then we actually had a massive sell-offs right here. We couldn't, and we got rejected right here. As you can see on the 93 price, we got rejected, went down, and then something interesting happened. As I thought it would be just a small pump right here, we actually got up again, and this is what I was not expecting. So basically, these are not big sellings right here. These are some people that actually wanted the way out and see the price going to 93, and then they decided to sell. And when the price was affordable again, one more pump actually started from that dip right here, and we actually reached the 92 price again, and then also got a little bit declined and then went up. So this is kind of interesting. I didn't expect the way going right now as they are, and I would suggest that if you're thinking about Shiba Inu token right now, might be not the good time for the two reasons. First reason is that if you're a day trader, basically right now is already way too up, and it's definitely a question, will we continue to rise throughout the day, because these results weren't expected. We didn't have such an amazing news or announcement that we actually had, so we can say, oh, this is because of that or that. I think this is kind of an insider pump going on right now, and this is why I wouldn't invest right now as a day trader, because we could easily got rejected again and go down again. But since you can see right here that we basically are nearly $1 billion in value, I wouldn't see this as such a great, I would say, pump from some kind of a developers or billionaires. I would say this is a mess going on, and yeah, we reached 1 billion. So I would say that is maybe right now new support level right here. We actually have one dip right here, two dips right here, and maybe this could be the start of that support level and resistance level that we will have next on. So this is why maybe I would tell you again that if you're a day trader, might right now be a good time to actually invest and buy Shiba Inu tokens, because we actually have a steady resistance level, and this is why we will continue to grow throughout the day definitely, and we will see what will actually happen tomorrow. We might even be so close to killing 1-0, and that would be huge, guys. If that happens, this could be huge, because publicity and the news and the media would talk about Shiba Inu tokens great growth over the night, and we could see something like 80 or 100% up very, very shortly. As you can see right here on the 24-hour volume, and if we go and check out the markets, you can see that volume wise, Binance is trading at the 350 million in 24 hours, which is amazing. So these are awesome results from the Binance. Huobi is doing 78, Hotbit 75, and this is kind of great. I like to see things this way, because Shiba Inu definitely deserves more than 1 billion in 24 hours. You can see even the price and the numbers going up so quickly, because people are buying and selling all the time because of this new price bump. So right now, the burn that we were speaking of would be great. If we could have it, that would be awesome. Also, on their Twitter account, we have another interesting thing. So Shib Informer says, another interesting thing is that people are seeing SHIB as an ecosystem. Spreading this idea is like inviting people to build around SHIB and eventually Shibarium. And that's one of the best things that could happen to Shiba. And I agree, we need more real use cases where you can spend your SHIB tokens, and we need to grow our ecosystem so much. This is just the beginning. We need to grow our ecosystem to amazing levels so that we can see the prices going up every single day. So there you go. Basically, we have one more article here about the investor place, but let's check the leash and the bone right now. Basically, things here are not that great. We were staying in the place even though SHIB token rose up. So there you go. You can see the leash stayed at the 1000 and bone was at 1.84, and this was the way the things were yesterday. So we didn't see the growth right here, which probably means that actually on the markets shibaswap is not doing too well. Yeah, only 10 million. So there you go. This is the reason why we stayed on leash and bone so as it is, and this is the probably reason why new investors are buying only the SHIB token on the other markets. And this is probably the explanation, the best explanation around this situation that we have over here and the sudden growth in price. So from the investor place, the Shiba Inu crypto might need support from Elon Musk. This is kind of interesting news right here, and the widely followed meme Shiba Inu token has been on a roller coaster ride. And you can see right here that there are over 10,000 crypto assets, including altcoins, with several categories such as decentralized DeFi, basically Ethereum, Tether, and other. Investing in cryptocurrencies generally means more volatility and higher risk compared to stocks. Yet cryptos also offer great potential for reward. For instance, so far this year, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin returned 54%, and this is kinda great. So right here is the most important part. Meme tokens are speculative cryptocurrencies that mostly move as a result of words from powerful individuals, as well as the collective actions of retail investors. So there you go. This is how the most of the meme tokens are doing right now, and this is why they are moving up or down. So with that said, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you do, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below your opinion about current state of Shiba Inu, because price is doing awesome and I would like to see 1-0 go off. So let me know, do you think that Shiba Inu could kill 1-0 before the end of the day? I'm really curious to see your opinion. And with that said, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.